Why collect Coca-Cola cans? Collecting items has been a popular hobby for centuries, with enthusiasts seeking out unique and valuable pieces to add to their collections. One such item that has gained a significant following is Coca-Cola cans. The iconic brand, known worldwide for its refreshing beverages, has produced countless variations of its cans over the years, making them an appealing collectible item. Firstly, collecting Coca-Cola cans allows enthusiasts to appreciate the rich history and evolution of the brand. From the classic red and white design to limited edition collaborations with artists and celebrities, each can tell a story. By collecting these cans, individuals can trace the changes in packaging styles and marketing strategies employed by Coca-Cola throughout different eras. Furthermore, collecting Coca-Cola cans provides a sense of nostalgia for many people. The brand's association with happy memories and shared moments makes it deeply sentimental. Owning a collection of these cans allows individuals to reminisce about their own experiences while connecting with others who share similar sentiments. Additionally, collecting Coca-Cola cans can be financially rewarding. Rare or limited edition cans often appreciate in value over time, making them an investment opportunity for collectors. As demand increases among avid collectors and casual consumers looking for unique memorabilia, the value of certain cans may skyrocket. In conclusion, collecting Coca-Cola cans offers a multifaceted experience that combines historical appreciation, sentimental value, and potential financial gain. Whether it be for personal enjoyment or as an investment venture, this hobby provides enthusiasts with an opportunity to immerse themselves in the world of one of the most recognizable brands globally while also preserving its legacy through its collections.